Okay, so my first problem is problem 46, and it reads, two wires are tied to a 300-gram sphere shown in figure P846. The sphere revolves in a horizontal circle at a constant speed of 7.5 meters per second. What is the tension in each of the wires? So we can start by drawing the picture and then also the vectors, and that will kind of help us visualize where the forces are going. So this is an angle that we're going to need in this problem. So I can find that by taking the cosine of this radius, which is 0.86, or yeah, the radius is 0.86 meters. And you can find that the angle is 30 degrees. And you can find this radius just by using Pythagoras' theorem to find a side in a right triangle. And then we're also going to need the centripetal force of the ball that's swinging around. And you can find that by using the equation mv squared divided by r. And we know that our mass is 300 grams, or 0.3 kilograms. And then our velocity is 7.5 meters per second as given. And then our radius of 0.86 meters. You find that our centripetal force is 19.62 newtons. And you can use that to find the x direction of the two tensions, and you can find that your tension, or your two tensions added together, will be 22.6 newtons just by finding the x directions of the tensions by multiplying them by the cosine of 30, which we found up here. And you can divide your centripetal force, because that's the forces keeping the ball from going outwards, divided by your cosines of 30 to get that your two tensions add up to 22.6 newtons. And to find the y directions of our tensions, we can use just the only downward force on the ball, which is the gravity, which is our mass times acceleration. And that gets that our upward tension minus our downward tension will equal 5.88 newtons. And now that we have these two equations with our upward tension and our upward wire and our downward wire, we can set these equations not equal, but we can have them being added together, and that will get rid of our downward wire. So you can find that two of our upward wires will equal 28.54 newtons. You can find that your tension of your upper wire is 14.27 newtons. And then we can use this equation that we had here and subtract our upward wire tension of 14.27 newtons from our 22.6 newtons up here to find that your downward wire tension will be 8.39 newtons.